Pondweed is a general term for a group of perennial aquatic plants called Potamogeton, in which there are numerous species throughout the country, both native and introduced. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the sake of this video, and not a full-blown lesson in aquatic science, I'm going to consolidate the most common broadleaf pondweeds we encounter as fishermen and refer to them all as cabbage. Cabbage is easily recognizable from other submerged aquatic plants because of their broad leaves, which grow up to 2 3/4 inches wide, 2 to 8 inches long, and are boat-shaped. The leaves are typically arched, wavy, and alternate along jointed stems, which are rooted to the bottom. The plant's color ranges from green to reddish brown, and most often cabbage grows in patches. These beds are formed as rhizomes creep out from the mother plant and new growth branches off, spreading the colony. Pondweeds can also spread by fragmentation depending on the species. Characteristically, cabbage beds never seem to grow as dense as other aquatic plants. It provides good cover, yet doesn't inhibit the movement of bass so they can easily stalk their prey within the vegetation. My underwater observations have revealed that smallmouth bass rarely penetrate dense vegetation, but the scattered growth that cabbage offers is like a magnet to brown bass. Furthermore, I've observed that shallower pondweeds provide excellent breeding and nursery grounds for largemouth bass and other sunfish. From an angling standpoint, forage species that largemouth prey upon seek cover in cabbage patches, so they're a logical place to target. And again, because cabbage doesn't grow as dense as other aquatic plants, you can present a variety of lures effectively over and through this vegetation. Swim jigs are one of my favorite choices, as are swim worms. Both baits slide through pondweed extremely well, making it hard for largemouth to resist. One thing to keep in mind though, cabbage is a robust weed, and when bass get wrapped up in the beefy stems, you need a strong line to rip them out of there. That's why I prefer medium-heavy bait casting equipment, spooled with 20-pound test Seaguar Tatsu fluorocarbon. Tatsu's strength, abrasion resistance, and unparalleled transparency is ideal for fishing around these clear water cabbage patches. Now when it comes to smallmouth bass cruising the sparse cabbage, it's hard to beat a drop-shotted shad-shaped worm rigged on medium-action spinning equipment. I spool my reel with a main line of 20-pound Seaguar Smackdown braid and tie on about 6 feet of 8-pound Seaguar Gold Label fluorocarbon leader. I sincerely hope you're benefiting from my underwater videos. Also, a little reminder that you can find Tackle Warehouse links listed below the video description, just in case you'd like to purchase the products I've recommended. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do.